Hi everyone, this is Jeban. Today we will discuss about the requirements to be complied by a ship under MARPOL Annex 6, preventing air pollution from ship. Let's talk about air pollution. Ship burn fuel and that release harmful gases like sulfur oxides and nitrogen oxides. This leads to acid rain, smog, and even health problems for people near the coast. MARPOL Annex 5 focuses on waste management, while Annex 6 targets reducing air pollution from ships. But in what ways do ships contribute to air pollution? Major pollutants from ships, sulfur oxides, causes acid rain harming marine and human life. Nitrogen oxides leads to smog and respiratory problems. Greenhouse gases contributes to global warming. To control these emissions, MARPOL Annex 6 enforces strict limits on both fuel quality and ship emissions. Sulfur cap regulation. Since 2020, ship must use fuel with only 0.5% sulfur content, down from 3.5%. Emission control areas. Stricter 0.1% sulfur limits in areas like North America, the Baltic Sea, and the North Sea. Ship Energy Efficiency Management Plan. Ship must adopt fuel-efficient operation to reduce carbon footprints. Exhaust gas cleaning system. Device that remove harmful pollutants from exhaust gases. These efforts are critical for mitigating the environmental impact of shipping, reducing air pollution, and meeting global climate goals. This provides more details on how MARPOL Annex 6 works to control air pollution through both fuel standards and ship emission controls. Since the 2020 sulfur cap enforcement, global sulfur emissions from ships have dropped significantly, reducing acid rain and improving air quality in coastal areas. From January 1, 2020, the global upper limit on the sulfur content of ships' fuel oil will be reduced to 0.50% from 3.50%, known as IMO 2020 or International Maritime Organization 2020. The reduced limits is mandatory for all ships operation outside certain designated emission control areas where the limit is already 0.10%. To further reduce emissions, shipping companies are exploring alternative fuels such as LNG, hydrogen, and ammonia-powered ships. Compliance with Annex 6 is mentioned and enforced by flag state and port state. Ships are subject to inspection to verify that they comply with the requirements for air pollution prevention. To further reduce emissions, shipping companies are exploring alternative fuels such as LNG, hydrogen, and ammonia-powered ships. Compliance with Annex 6 is mentioned and enforced by flag state and port state. Ships are subject to inspection to verify that they comply with the requirements for air pollution prevention. MARPOL Annex 6 plays a crucial role in ensuring the sustainability of the shipping industry, not only by regulating harmful emissions but also by preventing the pollution of our ocean from sewage, garbage, and toxic substances. By adhering to this regulation, we're making significant strides in protecting marine life, safeguarding coastal environments, and improving the air quality for communities worldwide. So whether you're a seafarer, a student, or just someone who loves the ocean, remember, every action counts. Let's keep our seas clean and our air pure. Every ship plays a part in maintaining the health of our ocean. Compliance with MARPOL is not just a requirement, it's our collective responsibility toward a sustainable and thriving planet. Together, we can make a difference. The ocean belongs to us and up to us to protect them. Thank you for watching, and let's all continue working toward cleaning seas and healthy world.